Good morning, students. I hope you will be fine and safe at your home. Be careful about your health and hygiene. Dear student, we are on the lesson 6, the Great Indian Desert. It is a type of landform where there is scarcity of water because of less rainfall or no rainfall in this region. So, the land become drier and convert into desert land. So before this we have already discussed about location and extent of the Great Indian Desert. Great Indian Desert, in other words, Thar Desert, and after that we saw the different rivers in different part of the Thar Desert, and after that we saw landform, what is sand dune, what is oasis. Keep in mind, and today we are going to discuss about life in the Great Indian Desert. Dear student, as we know, our life means bread, clothes and house. Means roti, kapda or makan, both these three things are based on the geographical condition and climatic condition of a place. Which type of food items will be there, which type of clothes people will wear of that place, which type of houses will be there of that place. These three things depend on the climatic and geographical condition of that place. So here we will discuss about the Great Indian Desert, that is Thar Desert, which type of life enjoyed by the people of Thar Desert. So let's start. Dear student, due to lack of water, first of all, due to lack of water and fertile soil. Dear student, well, when land receive less water, it will be less fertile or no fertile. You can say barren land. The opposite of fertile is barren. Fertile means the part of land which can grow crops, on which we can grow crops, and barren land, the part of land on which we cannot grow any crop. So, is due to lack of water, soil became barren. The area is not densely populated. The area is not densely populated because less facility is available there for survival of human being. So area is not densely populated. You can see by this water condition is not good. As a result, soil condition is also not good, and population will be also not densely populated. So due to lack of water, beta all the things is affected by each other. all the condition affected by each other. Just for example, in desert region where there is less water or no water, soil will be barren and the population will be less there in comparison with plains. Many people in the desert lead a nomadic life. Nomadic means the people who move one place to another place in search of food and fodder. So it's called nomadic life. That is, the other name is Banjara people. The many people in the desert lead a nomadic life. They move from one place to another. They move one they move from one place to another in search of water and fertile land. Beta, there are two things that is scarce in there is scarcity of two things, that is water and fertile land. Water and fertile land. For in search of water and fertile land, people used to move from one place to another place. In search of water and fertile land, they are called Banjaras. The people who move from one place to another place for fertile land and water, they are called Banjaras. Camel, all you know about the camel? Camel is the most important and useful animal found in the desert. The most important animal in the desert is called camel. It is also called the ship of desert. It is also known as the ship of the desert because camel can move fastly in the desert, in the sand, because of its padded feet. Because of its padded feet, camel can walk easily in comparison with other animals. So camel is called the ship of desert. It is an important means of transport. It is an important means of transport for the people living in the desert. And other things about other thing is about the camel. Dear student, camel can live without water for many days together. For weeks together, camel can live without water, and its padded feet help in moving in the desert. So where the place where there is less availability of water and where there is sand, both lacking of both things are completed by camel. Okay, it is an important means of transport for the people living in the deserts. The camel also help in plowing field. प्लॉइंग मतलब होता है बेटा खेत की जुताई करना. हम लोग किससे जुताई करते हैं? ट्रैक्टर से. सो द कैमल ऑल्सो हेल्प इन प्लॉइंग फील्ड्स एंड ड्राइंग वाटर फ्रॉम वेल्स. ड्राइंग वाटर फ्रॉम वेल्स मीन्स कुएं से पानी खींचना. ऊँट को, जो कैमल है बेटा, उसको दो यूज में लिया जाता है. फॉर प्लॉइंग फील्ड, खेत की जुताई करने में. ड्राइंग वाटर फ्रॉम वेल्स, कुएं से पानी निकालने के लिए. इन दोनों कामों के लिए ऊँट का यूज़ किया जाता है. द लार्जेस्ट हॉट डेजर्ट. डियर स्टूडेंट, इट्स ऑल अबाउट द today's topic and some important fact that are related with the desert region. The largest hot desert in the world. The largest hot desert in the world is the Sahara. In North Africa. Largest hot desert is the Sahara Desert in North of Africa, and the Gobi Desert is in Asia, and the desert on the continent of Antarctica are example of cold deserts. So Gobi Desert and desert on the continent of Antarctica are example of cold desert. So my dear student, it's all about our today's class. We will meet in our next class tomorrow, and one thing is there that I want to remind you: complete your notebook and all the things properly. Read, listen many times, because question will be asked from inside the book. So read line by line and try to prepare your question bank. By doing this, you can get good marks. So I hope you are doing this. Wishing you a great day and have a nice day. Thank you.